we just came across. Some old cars right here. It's an MG.
Austin Healy Sprite.
Smile. Smile, you're on camera. You stop looking at me. I am the SAA. Alfa Romeo. Jaguar. Why is there modern cars in the classic cars? That's a nice old Ford. What type of Ford is this? It's a Contina. I don't know. Wow, that's beautiful right there. Steering wheel's gone. You took it off. You opened the engine off this MG. Well, this is a classic.
Like that, so it's a V.
So it's a V8.
Yeah.
These look like they were made in the 1930s or the 40s. The poor things, the rusty Mercedes.